With measure angle, you can measure the angle between two lines. I will zoom in a little bit closer to my hemline of the sleeve. Move your cursor close to the line so it's highlighted. The reference element is always displayed with a dashed line. The angle between both lines is displayed on your cursor position. If your reference element is a curve, the corresponding tangent is used for the reference line. With the left click, you can write it in the history as always, and with X, you can stick it on your working area. With 0, you can delete your measurement. As you can see, the measurement is just for the two lines here. If I want to measure above the line in the middle, I have to use the right mouse button to select the reference element for the measured angle. So I click right mouse button, and now I can measure above the line in the middle. As long as my cursor is inside of the piece, I will see the angle in between the two lines of the inside, and if I move my cursor outside of the piece, I will see the angle of the outside, always between the two lines. Combining and editing the measurement is possible like in all the other measure functions.